Would you look at that? Oh my gosh, John is washing his feet. What a special treat. I really wish that I could get him to do that before he steps foot on the boat, but a full body wash.
So listen, the guests are gone now, and we are filled up with water and fuel, and we're ready to head out again soon. It's really nice having guests. Actually, over the years, we have more guests all the time. And maybe people are coming because now that they know, maybe they didn't trust me as a captain. Maybe they're coming now because they see that we've done it a few times and they're more trustworthy. Listen, it's not for everybody, I'll tell you that. But for the ones that are into this kind of lifestyle, it is pretty cool. I highly recommend it, and I really take pride in showing people. It's thrilling. It's a way I give back. I feel like I'm doing something good. What's so funny about that?
Nothing.
Yeah, what happens is I feel really good about it. I like doing it. So.
And it is wonderful that our guests are very accommodating.
Well, you have to be. If you're going to be on the Navicula, you better be accommodating.
Yeah, super easygoing.
Because it ain't the Love Boat.
Yeah.
It's not a cruise ship, that's for sure. Anyways, we're filling up a tank with propane, and we're on a walk right now to Isles General Store. To go find out that our propane's not ready. And welcome to the Bahamas.
Hopefully it is. If it is, then you can get the dinghy and bring it around.
And we can get going sooner, but we can't really leave without the propane tank. So that's how it works in the Bahamas. And that's why we can't be on a schedule. Now, this is where our propane tanks are, waiting to get filled, but there's no gas. There's no gas on the island, so we're gonna have to wait another day or so. And then I'll just leave. I got a propane. We just anchored at Black Point. Sandy's gonna do laundry here. We're gonna go ashore and do laundry because we gotta keep our bed sheets clean. Sandy's side of the bed gets real dirty. Listen, I'm a morning person. I get up at like 5:30. I'm a morning person, guys. Sandy's not a morning person. Sandy likes to get up at 10 o'clock. Now I know she'll say, no, that's not true, but it really is, okay? And you know when they say opposites attract? I'm not attracted to that at all. No, this is something that's been going on for many years, and I got to find a way to get her out of bed willingly earlier. Now, don't get me wrong, she goes to sleep later. She likes to watch movies and whatnot and programs or whatever she's watching. And so anyways, if you guys got any ideas on how to get her up with me, that would be great. Get her up at 5:30. 5:30, I want the day, I want the daylight. You know what I mean? I don't want to get up at noon, or she doesn't get up at noon, but she'll be ready. She's really ready by 10:30, 11 o'clock. That's when she's fully dressed and ready to go. Anyways, not around here. And so, we argue about it, of course. Of course we argue about it. It's the way it is. But some people are different. And as we all know out there, Sandy is very different. That'd be great. No, well, here she comes. She heard me doing this.
I'm going to say John can dish it out, but he can't take it. So, yeah, I'm always up early. Okay? No, I don't want to get up at 5:30, but by usually 8 o'clock, I am off and going. And because coffee isn't ready in 30 seconds, he gets pissed. And that's what his problem was this morning. Because when you're doing percolated coffee on the stove, it takes a good 20 minutes.
This is Sandy's homemade bread. And what time is it?
10:30.
See? 10:30, guys. We're ready. He's like, now we're eating breakfast. 10:30. Proves my point. Bingo.
Yeah, he lifted anchor. Well, actually, the windlass lifted the anchor, and then the autopilot steered us out of where we were. But yeah, I got up. I put things away. All the dishes that I washed last night. Got the coffee going. Took apart the bed. Got the laundry set up. Got all of my laundry supplies ready while we were heading over here. And he just was up here with autopilot standing after the windlass lifted the anchor. So I don't know what he did.
How did we make it this far?
My patience. My patience, my patience, my patience.
Here we are, heading to the laundromat. There's a general store in here too. Not a cool place. Okay. Thank you, dear. You got your favorite machine?
Yeah.
I can't hear you, dear. Oh, she's busy. She doesn't even want to talk to me now. She's concentrating. How many machines are you going to use?
Well, I have 3 washes and 3 dries, but right now this machine is done. This is our forward cabin on the Navicula. It sleeps 3 people and has its own bathroom and shower. Here's a quick peek at what putting a room together looks like. I know in fast motion it looks like it goes pretty quick, but it does take quite a lot of time, and it's a little bit of a workout having to crawl up and over everything. But I do get it done, and it looks nice when it's all finished.
I just want to tell you guys that we're a little behind on the videos. Like, they're not real time. Let me just tell you that, okay? Because
Yeah, they're a couple weeks behind, right?
they're behind, and no problem. We're going to try and catch up a little bit, but they'll always be behind. We're always in a different area when the video comes out. Anyways, our videos, we thank you guys for participating in the videos and following along. I know they're kind of boring and
Sometimes a little hokey.
I just don't know how to keep your retention. Is that the word?
Attention?
Attention? Retention?
Not retention.
No?
Attention. You keep their attention.
Yeah, I don't know how to keep the crowd's attention. I just don't know how to do that.
We're not creative enough, I guess, to regular mundane stuff to make it interesting.
But if you've stayed this long,
Yeah.
right now, I mean, if you're watching this video right now, boy, I mean, I applaud you. You guys are tough, and you like punishment. But anyhow, we're just trying to do this for fun
And to keep in touch with the people that we know.
And it's a good record for somebody someday if they want to, family and friends, right? I mean, it's a record of what we do, and maybe hopefully there's a little motivation in there for somebody too.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It's like,
right?
Instead of some of these videos when we're out, it's almost like writing in a logbook, but it's a video logbook.
That's all we're doing. So watch if you can. If you don't, no hard feelings, no problem. We'll You know, there's plenty of great videos out there, though. I mean, like, you know, other people make real quality stuff and to show the sailing life, and they really know how to do this. But some of these guys really, they have professional help, and we need professional help in a lot of ways.
Yeah.
But, yeah. Anyways, thanks for following along, guys. It's been great, and we'll keep you posted on what's going on, and we'll be in touch.
See you again soon.
Bye for now.